Jangan kena big video.
This is the washroom.
Daddy, mommy, I need water.
Ganda. Oh. Ha? Hello everyone. Today we are here at Dukes the Palm Jumeirah here in Dubai, and we just arrived like 30 minutes ago. We will be celebrating the birthday of Isabel. Yes, it's her third birthday tomorrow. So we're very excited to spend the week here at Dukes the Palm Jumeirah. Hello, Nak.
Hi.
Where are we now?
Dubai.
Dubai. Oh, what are we gonna do here? Huh? What are we gonna do here in Dubai? We're gonna watch TV only? We're going to
Swimming.
swimming, and then
This one.
we're gonna go to Dubai Mall,
Dubai Mall.
and then IMG.
And the
IMG.
water.
See you later.
Hello everyone! Finally, we're done with our DIY birthday photo shoot for Isabel.
So right now, we will explore the rest of the hotel, and we will take pictures also, and we will show you around. So see you.
Yay! Are you excited? Yes.
Oh, you want to swim na? To the lazy river? Excited na siya.
Baliktad oh. Yung anak niya nagtutulak sa tatay eh.
Tatay nag-swim.
Baka tumama sa mukha niya. Yeah, dito sa Duke's Palm, meron ding kids play area. Katabi ng lazy river and the beach. Play area. If you have kids, you can bring them here. They will surely enjoy here. Ang lawak ng tatakbuhan nila.
Look at the mirror. Yun, oh. Kaway kayo sa mirror. Yay! You're done swimming? We are done swimming. Mom and Isa finished.
Refreshing.
What a refreshing.
Saan ba tayo?
Lamig ng tubig sa pool. Pero sakto lang kasi mainit ang panahon. Heading back to our room. Good morning! It's our second day here and it's Isabel's birthday! Happy birthday! Yes, we will go na. Breakfast muna, na. Na? Yun, rice. Breakfast. Happy birthday!
Birthday.
Oh, what will you say? How old are you? You are 3 years old. When is your birthday? July 8. Very good. Are you happy today?
You like it?
Are you excited to go to the kids club?
Yeah.
Okay. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So hot, but we have to go to the kids club. Hello everyone. Nakapayong kami kasi ang init. Takot sa araw. Para lang makapaglaro si Isa sa kids club. Tired na maglakad.
Mainit kasi.
Mainit eh. Pero malaking bagay yung payong. Say hello na.
Are you happy?
Happy daw siya. Oh, sulitin natin yung dress. And then what?
She keeps on telling na she's happy. Since morning.
Since morning, very happy daw siya.
And that's our aim. To make her happy today on her birthday.
Birthday. We're here at the kids club na. Laro ng Spider-Man. Hello everyone! Ngayon kakagising lang namin. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. Mag-swimming na kami ulit sa Lazy River. So dito, mas mababaw. Pwede si Isa dito. Mas nakaka-excite to kasi kahapon di namin na-enjoy ang lalim ng infinity pool. Isa! Excited na siya. See you. Lazy River.
Kayo naman, Daddy. Pogi naman eh. Pogi pa rin naman eh.
Sarap.
Teka lang.
Sarap. Sarap ng ano, tubig. Sakto lang yung temperature.
Punta na yung fountain.
Gawin ka sa camera.
Paano yun?
Ooh, we're crossing the bridge.
Sa falls.
Isa.
It's okay, Isabel. It's okay, it's okay.
Hello guys. Tapos na kami mag-swimming. Nakatatlong ikot kami sa Lazy River.
ba?
Tatlo ba? Apat?
Parang ang dami.
Napagod ang bata. Napagod ka? Are you tired?
Hungry yan.
Hungry. So kakain na kami. Babanlaw lang.
Saan tayo kakain? Sa? Sangyupsal.
Samgyupsal na naman.
Hindi, iba na lang.
Si mami niya, habang nagsiswimming, walang ibang tanong kundi saan kakain. Saan ang breakfast bukas? Puro pagkain eh. Hello! Where are we? Mall. Palm Jumeirah Mall. First time for us. Ang ganda dito.
Yes, katapat lang kami.
Katapat lang ng hotel namin. So, ang laki ng natipid namin sa taxi. Kaya nga. Sa Dubai Mall kasi balikan 120 eh. Ito 12 lang. Hi Isa. We're looking for a restaurant. We are here in Din Tai Fung.
Birthday girl! Gonna eat what are gonna eat, Isabel? Baka mainit ah.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wow. Wow. Happy birthday. Binigyan pa siya ng ano.
Ito po, meron po isa.
What did they give you? Wow. What's that? Oh, 10,000. Wow.